The Virginia State Police and the Virginia Missing Children's Clearinghouse has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction on behalf of the Savannah County Sheriff's Office in Scottsville, Virginia on February the 6th at 8:30 p.m. The Savannah County Sheriff's Office is looking for Haven Melina Moses, a white female, 3 years of age, 3 foot tall, weighing 30 pounds, with blue eyes and straight blonde hair. The child is believed to be in extreme danger and was last seen in the River Road area of Scottsville, Virginia. The child was likely abducted by James Arnold Moses, a white male, 25 years of age, 5 foot 4 inches tall, weighing 130 pounds, with brown eyes and straight black hair. They may be traveling in a light-colored Honda sedan with unknown license, or they may be traveling in a brown Ford Explorer with Virginia registration VKS 6171 and are believed to be traveling in the Rockingham or Augusta County areas. If you have information about this abduction, please contact the Savannah County Sheriff's Office at 434-589-8211 or the Virginia State Police at 1-800-VA-CHILD. For complete information, please visit www.vaamberalert.com.